This year, we have introduced something different, a live stream of the finalist presentation exclusively for our student members, where our talented finalists have proposed 3 innovative actions to establish Hong Kong as a sustainable financial hub.
We not only hold the competition, but what we try to achieve is to cultivate a vibrant community to connect the university students to our corporate members. Students have the opportunity to learn and connect to a lot of our industry leaders, and our corporate members has the opportunity to contribute in terms of talent development.
As future leaders in finance, your understanding of sustainability principle will empower you to drive positive changes in the industry, and the choices you make can influence not only financial return, but also our well-being as well.
I really valued from the team that we looked at really is how comprehensive their proposal has been, how much is it rooted in innovation, and also the research of what is already out there so that they can be differentiated from the market.
To practicality, making use of what is available and Hong Kong's current position, and try to expand on that, try to modify that, and come up with different ideas based on the existing platform.
They show very solid presentation skills and great teamwork.
More importantly, I think their solution is innovative.
And the champion is
Team Billionaires!
Thank you to HKSI first, because you organized such a prestigious competition for us to have this platform to learn basically more about ESG. And also I would like to say thank you to my team members, because if it's not for them, we wouldn't be here today. And also I'm really glad to see all the product sponsor here today. I would also like to say thank you on behalf of all the students participating in this competition.